Hey brush friends, in this video we are going to talk about why your brush calligraphy feels shaky and how you can make it smoother. So for today, I'm going to use this sign brush pen from Tech and this ordinary grid paper. So if you've been practicing calligraphy and your strokes still don't feel stable, don't worry, especially if you are a beginner, that's very normal. And there are usually a few small adjustments that could make a big difference to your calligraphy. So first of all is to relax your grip. Most beginners tend to grip the pen too tight as if they are really, holding it very tight like this. So I want you to relax your grip and try to loosen your fingers. So if I'm going to write the word hello while gripping my pen too tight, I won't be able to hold it at an angle because I am gripping it too much like this. It's going to be upright instead of a 45-degree angle. So I cannot really have a good control of my brush pen because I'm gripping the pen really hard. So see, I have here unconnected strokes. These are shaky. And yeah, here is shaky as well. And of course, my transitions don't look nice. So if I'm going to fix this, what I want to do is relax my grip and hold it at a 45-degree angle. And let's see how my strokes will become smoother and how I can even control my brush pen better. So you see the difference, right? So yeah, that's the first one. Relax your grip. So now, how about if you are doing, for example, a flourish? So most of the time, we only use our finger when we are doing small strokes. So that's where the shakiness happens if you are trying to flourish. So let me give you an example. I'm going to use just my finger and try to flourish the word care. My movement is limited because I'm just using the finger movement. But if I want bolder and prettier flourishes, we want to move our arm like this. So this will take a lot of practice, but once you get the hang of it, it will be more natural to you. So let me rewrite this word care and try to hold my pen in a relaxed grip as well as use my arm movement to create this flourish. So you see the difference. I can have this beautiful and confident strokes, bigger flourishes because I moved my arm. So let me just balance it because it feels heavy to my eyes. So let's add some flourish here. Tip number 2 is to use your arm. And the last tip that I can give you is to slow down. Just slow down. Remember, calligraphy, it's an art of beautiful writing. It's not meant to be cursive wherein I write the word in a rushed format. So this calligraphy should give us a moment to relax and slow down. So that's what we want to do with our strokes as well. So if you're going to rush your strokes, they'll naturally feel less controlled. Let's try to write the word love. Let's try to write the word love. And I'm going to rush it as if it's a speed up video we usually see on Instagram. You see, I wrote it in a way that it's like cursive. I didn't leave my pen. I rush through my strokes, and this is the end result. So what if I am going to just slow down and keep my letters stroke by stroke? Not really slow, but the kind of slow that will give you more control of your brush pen. And of course, more meditation. I don't know, but calligraphy is such meditating to me. So you can achieve cleaner strokes when you go slow when you are writing. The third tip is to just slow down. And remember, if you are a beginner, this doesn't get perfect overnight. But if you've practiced just these small adjustments, your strokes will already improve. And if you want structured drills, or if you want to practice the basic strokes and how to learn calligraphy, I have a step-by-step digital workbook that you can download. The link is in the description below. So there, relax your grip, move your whole arm, and slow down your strokes. And if there's something else in calligraphy that you're struggling with, or you want to learn a new technique, let me know in the comments. I'd love to cover it in the next video. Happy practicing! Bye!